When we start the design process, we're often thinking, what size of house can we do with the budget that we're looking at? So we knew that we could probably do around about 230 square metres roughly on this project, which is quite compact given that we were fitting in a minor dwelling in a sort of 3 to 4 bedroom house with a gym and a double garage and everything like that. It was quite good that we could get the basics of the plan in place, and then we could talk to QBS about, were we fitting roughly within the budget? And then we were able to use good quality materials and have a high stud height and get these sort of double height spaces where you can see down from upstairs into the kitchen to try and get this feeling of space and quality in the build. My favourite part of the house is the entry. When you come in, you've got the brick running through from the outside to the inside, and then it comes into the kitchen where we've got the timber lining. And then on the opposite side, we've got the timber lining that runs along the stair wall. QBS worked quite hard on some of those details to make sure that they were all really nice and seamless. So we started the build in August 2020, and the program for the build was about a year, which is fairly typical for a project of that size. During the build process, we would meet with QBS on site on a fairly regular basis, so probably around every fortnight. Yeah, we had a really good experience working with QBS. Found that they enjoy working with architects, which is really important for us. I like having a good collaboration with the builder. I sort of see it as a team. It's great when you've got a builder on board that appreciates the kind of architectural side of things, what you're hoping to achieve.